All right, once we got the rope wrapped around in the window track, we got the window track on, soak it down with some silicone. That helps the rope pull through the rubber, and that also helps the rubber go back in the track. And I like to take my tail right here and leave it inside, because then it'll pinch it and it won't pull it loose. We're in a little too far. All right, right there. Okay, good. Okay, get it even. We're even. He's going to push down and put a little pressure my way. And all you do is you just pull this rope. And it pulls that rubber seal. Now, one of this spray seal. Now, there we go. Push it in, Gary. Got it? That's one done window. Did you say done window? It's back in. Now you all do is go around, put your locking ring in. There's a trim piece that goes in here, and we'll do that later. Pretty simple, ain't it?